Hi, this is Kelly. I'm back today and I am opening the Degusta box. This is the February 2019 box. I am unboxing this for my mom since she isn't feeling too good. So it looks like this. It comes in looking like this, and it's kind of cute here. It says open me. So I thought that was pretty cute. So let's open it up and see what's inside here. Now this is a monthly subscription. I'm not sure how much it is offhand. It's $20 a month. It's a monthly subscription. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Let's see. It comes with sealed with a sticker in the paper here. All right, and on top, ooh, there's a coupon for 30% off your first order. Use Degusta 30 at checkout. So that's nice. If we like the stuff, we want to order it, we can always do that. And we'll leave this down in the comments too for you. And then you always get a brochure, a little flyer with everything that you get in your box. And it gives you the prices of everything in it. And then on the back, there is a recipe for one of the things in the box here. And I found that they usually do give you a recipe, so that's nice also. It gives you some ideas. And we have a flyer here about this seasoning here. So there must be something in the box here for that. So let's see. Okay. The first thing we have, there is, put this off to the side here. There are 2 bags of these popcorners. They are spicy queso. It is $3.29 for a 7-ounce bag. Make this Tex-Mex classic one better with a chef-inspired medley of red and black peppercorns. So that might be interesting, especially if you like spicy. I know my dad would probably like these. He loves popcorn and spicy, so got that. He'll like that. Packing. Let's see. Ooh, now this stuff is good. It's PB Fit. We got a little pack of that. This is the product of the month. $5.99 for an 8-ounce jar of it. Says it's everything you love about peanut butter made better. Whole roasted peanuts pressed to perfection. Means PB Fit contains up to 90% less fat than traditional peanut butter. And a third of the calories. Great in smoothies, shakes, baking, and more. And we have tried products like this, and it is awesome. So good, easy to use, especially like they said in smoothies. So this is really good. Next, we got, oh, okay, wow, 3 packs of this classic guacamole quick mix. It is $1.19 each. It's the Just Add brand. Just Add classic guacamole mix makes it easy to get the perfect guacamole every time in just minutes. Mix 2 avocados and you're ready to party. So that's nice to have, especially with Super Bowl coming up. You can just make one of these, get your chips, tortilla chips, and there you go. You have a great dip ready to go in just minutes. So that's awesome. Oh, we have another pack of the PB Fit. Oh my goodness, this is funny. A candy taco. Oh my goodness. Raindrops candy taco. Now this is $4.99. It looks like gummy worms on top. Sure to be a favorite at your next party or as a snack to share with loved ones, made from Raindrops, delicious tasting candies. This is definitely a one-of-a-kind taco. I would say that. kind of sound. I don't know if you can see it. Never heard of that before. That should be pretty fun. Especially if you like gummy foods. Alright. We have Manito Trading Company Piri Sauce Starter. We got a pack of that. That is what's on this flyer here. So we got that. Oh, there. $2.99. You can make it as a marinade or baked poultry, seasoning, all this. So that's pretty cool. These are good. I've tried these. These Emmy's organic coconut cookies and vanilla bean. This is $2.49. Simple, not basic. Combination of smooth vanilla and freshly ground almonds are a perfect pair for your daily hot beverage. And these are just a nice size. Looks like there's 3 in the pack here. Pretty soft. So there's that. Another pack of the PB Fit powder. There are 2 containers of this bean smash snack or dip. These are $1.49 each. So it's a warm and tasty protein packed bean dip or snack that is available in 4 great flavors. Each cup contains 10 grams of protein, gluten-free, vegetarian, non-GMO. Just add water, heat, and eat. So we have chipotle black bean and cheesy pinto bean. So that will be nice. Be nice to use if you're having like taco night. You can mix this up, put it out, and you can have bean dip. We got...
This box is really full.
Manito Global Fusion truffle, parmesan, and black garlic seasoning. Interesting combination. I never would have thought to put that. And it is featured on this flyer also.
Looks like you can put it on popcorn.
Yeah, I bet it would be good on popcorn. This is $4.49. Says it combines umami rich flavors of truffles, black garlic, I never heard of that, Parmesan cheese, and a convenient, easy use powder. Sprinkle over popcorn, toss with freshly fried or roasted potatoes. Now that would be really good. Used to crust meats or seafood before grilling. Add richness to risotto or pasta dishes. So this would be good with a little olive oil. Toss a little bit of this in with your pasta. That would be pretty good. I think it would be a good flavor. So we got that. And then last, we got, oh, Dad would like these. Original sourdough craft beer pretzel rings. Big bag. Really big bag. This is $3.29. Says made with Unique's high quality, added real malted barley and a dash of hops as a tip of the hat to all the brewmasters out there, inventing the original craft beer pretzel. Its ring-shaped design allows you to crown your craft, bringing 2 great products together. So that is, I would have never thought to add hops to a pretzel. So Dad will definitely love this. He loves pretzels and loves beer. So we got that. So I think all in all, this is an awesome box. I've been impressed with it. I've been impressed with it every time, you know, that we've seen it, that we've gotten. I think we've gotten, what, 2 so far. So we got the pretzels. We got the truffle, parmesan, and black garlic seasoning. We got bubble pop there stuff. So we got the bean smash dip mix, 3 packets of the PB Fit a pack of the piri sauce. We got the candy taco. 2 bags of the Popcorners spicy queso chips. We got the coconut cookies. And we got 3 packs of the guacamole seasoning mix. I think this was an awesome box. I can't wait to make some of this, especially for Super Bowl, going over to my best friends. So that'll be exciting. So all in all, wonderful. I give it 2 thumbs up. If you like this box and want to see more of what we have coming in the near future, just hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.